Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. So also at the Jamaica Young Police channel, I've been very busy today because of this case involving Vybz Kartel being acquitted. Yeah man, free by the court by one of our most corrupt judge. Yeah man, how you mean? Yeah man, Vybz Kartel exposed Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, and she laughed when she opened her brown paper bag. Yeah man, Kartel is a free man, and that's how justice is in Jamaica. So whether or not you want to believe it, in Jamaica crime pays. Reason being, as we tell you, we say it already, and we continue to say that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. We know that some people don't like when we say that, but look here, if you have matter in your eye and somebody not tell you, that means they are not being honest. So we are going to tell you the truth, and we are being honest. Yeah man, you have matter in your eye, so you have to clean it out. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. Reason being, we can show you how them start dismantle the system and turn it officially in a criminal's paradise. Yeah, so just look at the man at the bottom. That man is Isaac Buchanan. You know that we have a marathon conversation with him for over 3 hours. Them say one of the smartest PMP criminal organization, lawyer and activist, rear admiral and all of these things. And we had a conversation with him for over 3 hours. Yeah man, and him couldn't even move it because we're firm that way. You understand what I'm saying? Although him try to use Isaac Buchanan use a different name, because he was sent here by the PMP criminal organization. Yeah man, he was sent. Try for discredit we and everything there. And we mash him up because we're knowledgeable, we love read. Yeah man, yours truly, love to read. So when some people are saying, boy, you behave like a school you run, so this one whole heap of information and just get to the point, man. So if it didn't matter for so long, Virgin, look here. I'm going to fool die for once of wisdom. You understand? Knowledge is power. And that's what we are here for, to impart it to each and everyone who wants to learn. Everything that we have known, we never know it because we are luck on them thing there, we're gifted. We read them thing there, so we have imparted what. So in time we did and we care to do them thing there. If we don't pass it on, nobody else not gonna know. So that's what we are doing. So you know that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, and and based on what you say happened today, I can tell you that members of the Jamaica Young Police channel, they are really upset. Me, I tell you, they're vexed. Boy, I'm supported this. So as we tell you before, and we continue to say, we have several clips that we're going to let you listen. As we tell you before now, we say it again. So this channel is not an entertainment channel. So although some people, they are trying all kind of things to make we change our program model, because they must say, boy, make your video like this a person because them video are like 15 minutes and look how much views them get, and your video them too long and you take too long to get to the point, and you tell with this and you tell with that, and everybody want to know it. Well, look here, this is not for everybody, my friend. Yeah, you understand? This is not for everybody. This is for who want to see a different Jamaica. I want to make sure that criminals are the most hated people in Jamaica. That's our job, you know. Our job is not to make people love criminals, you know. Our jobs are for you to know that the criminals are your enemies. You understand? We don't know that already, you know. Yours truly, you know. So you understand? I already know that criminals are my enemies from when I was a little boy growing up. That's why I become a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and follow my idol Tom Levine. Yes, and become a detective. Never match up to his hard work because you know him sent over 160 murderers to the departure lounge. So later on in the video, you're going to hear some voice notes from these judge recordings. Yeah, man, because you understand what I'm saying. From the case when yeah man, boy, I tell you so she laugh. Yeah man, you so marvelous. And hey, when she get her brown paper bag, you know man, I open it and sit. Boy, the big bills, hey, for your money in the US and in a Jamaica and in the US, them work it, you know, I tell you, you know, so them do it, you know. Yes, they feed their money in a US, not Jamaican currency. You understand? So when she walk me and say the 100 US, them and them thing there. Well, hey, look, we don't know if the police them are read them house card. Them they keep feed their money in a bank, you know. Them keep feed their money in a vault. Yes. Them have for them vault in the ground and them house. Brian Lego Sykes teach them that. The most corrupt chief justice we ever had in a Jamaica. The shameless black bossy slave. Yeah man, Brian Lego Sykes. You see, yeah man. Hey, what? So we don't have to tell you the truth. So Vybz Kartel and the others walk free thanks to corrupt justice Marva McDonald Bishop, known for our expertise in accepting brown paper bags. Yeah man. And some people that say bribes are all them things allegedly. You understand? Or some people to them on the court them call it bribing and them call it gifts. Yeah, them say a gift. Just like in America we have the black man when he Clarence Thomas. The man get all millions in a bribing and them say a gift. So our judge in Jamaica and them say no, and a bribe them collect gifts. Boy, may I tell you. So when she get fear gift, you know, man, you see the smile she put on. Yes. So the Vybz Kartel case, you know, has exposed when Justice Marva McDonald Bishop laugh as she opened her brown paper bag. So Kartel is now a free man. I mean, then the brown paper bag no work, man. I mean Kartel. I saw it got. So in this video, we delve into the highly anticipated. So I'm not anticipated anymore. This is the verdict of Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm. Etal mean others. You know, those of you who are layman and you know understand that. Etal in the law, that mean others. So when you charge somebody, you charge John Brown Etal and them read the indictment in a court. Yeah, so this moment is significant as they are granting freedom by one of Jamaica's most corrupt women on the bench, Justice Marva McDonald Bishop. The suspense is over and palpable as the final judgment is relieved. So stay tuned to find out how the outcome in their favor with the brown paper bag working for Vybz Kartel costing over 150,000 US. Oh, everybody get them 50,000 US. I just saw it go. That is what the information has been said based on one and two little things we can share it. So we don't know if what the police them going to do. You understand? So to those of you in the Jamaica Young Police channel who have called and said, boy, I'm supporter you are profiting because he don't say she go let him go and them thing there. Sir Porter is not a prophet. You know, he's just a practical man who calls it as he sees it. So that's corruption 101. So I am not a prophet. So the reason why I told you before that she was going to let him go is based on her rhetoric. You have to understand how criminal operating. So she already put everything in place so that law-abiding citizens don't feel disappointed because she already prepared them for this day. Corruption 101. PMP criminal organization at work. Imagine, you understand? So speculation are rife, especially with allegation of corruption involving one of the judges, Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, who seems to have taken a gift, a common corrupt practice in Jamaica, often called getting a brown paper bag. Vybz Kartel and Sean Style have been granted freedom. So stay tuned to find out the outcome. Has it been in their favor? And them don't have to go through the legal process again. So them walk, them kill lizard, them get where lizard dead. And you're going to hear this judge, boy. Hey, the only thing she tell you say and them thing they say, boy, if them try about Vybz Kartel, him are dead. Me never hear nothing like this. The woman go outside of the legal realms and argument for justify for release Vybz Kartel. You saw she laugh because I brown paper bag or she get when she see them the US there, I tell you, Hey, heal up Bert Samuels and them thing there, yeah man, the man they not playing, man, Bert Samuels. And see convicted drug dealer the Isaac Buchanan. And them start mash up dismantle the system in Jamaica by turning a convicted drug dealer into a liar. And him soon can become the Chief Justice, whether or not you want to believe it. Remember saying in Jamaica and them thing there, being a criminal and nothing for shame about it. Being a law-abiding citizen is something to be ashamed of. Yeah, I saw it. Everything in Jamaica backwards. You're a law-abiding citizen, you're a weakling, you're a fool. Nobody has no respect for you. You're supposed to be a thief and criminal supporter like Justice, like the Justice Marva McDonald Bishop. Yeah man, you collect your brown paper bag and you smile and you don't have no shame. No shame. You let go a murderer and you make all kind of excuse. Why are you going to let him go? When you don't know, say, you have to live up to your in a bargain. And you understand? We don't know if one of them there, they might release some compromising videotape to show you that these people are corrupt. Yeah, they might collect the money and all of these things. We tell you. Yeah, so they may have to go through it and them things. So today, July 31st, 2024, is the crucial day for Jamaica as the world hears about the fate of Vybz Kartel, a figure associated with considerable controversy and alleged criminal activities, alongside Sean Storm. Sean Storm, Vybz Kartel, yeah, say them used to rule. Say the kill when them kill is I don't know over no gun, It's because, it's an excuse, because remember say the boy out of east where them get the gun, and because Lizard catch Vybz Kartel allegedly behind Sean Storm and make some noise like a effa cow. You understand? So I don't know nothing to do with no gun, they just use that away because they want to kill him. You understand? But God save we and the police that cartel here. You want to bite him in him. You want to bite him. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. You know see. So Vybz Kartel has been implicated in serious crimes that have left a deep imprint of pain, suffering and mourning across the nation. So many law-abiding citizens are deeply concerned as the appeal court, headed by Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, has often been criticized for being overly lenient towards Vybz Kartel, make excuse of Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel sick. We never hear nothing like that. I have case on them thing where me charge man where in a wheelchair. How you mean? You understand? Shoot have a police and police wet him up on him and him got prison wheelchair. Yeah. So I never hear when the judge sent and I said, boy, say if you send the script man to prison. I tell you, hey, you see black people, well, I something else, they're not shame in man. They might be like Clarence Thomas and Oli and the Republican them in America. No shame, man. No shame at all. You see it. PMP criminal organization at work for dismantle, turn Jamaica certified criminals paradise. So the law-abiding citizens are in shock over a verdict that reflects the gravity of the alleged crimes. Many are advocated for a cartel and his associates to remain in prison as a just consequences of their actions, but they are in disbelief as the murderers walk free. Welcome to the criminals paradise, Jamaica. So Vybz Kartel influence in Jamaica extend beyond his music. Some see him as an emblematic emblematic of a deeper issue within our justice system. What many describe as a criminal's paradise, that is yours truly. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel have been using that moniker for Jamaica, yeah man. The criminal's paradise that are from we start right the Observer, the Gleaner. Every time I write and say Jamaica Crip, them knock we post. And that's how we end up now on YouTube and them thing. I say, hey, we are write all of them things and I give them people a free thing, and whole heap of people are comment on what we're writing. And we say, alright, then then them appoint a man from the army if he join the police force, and we just say, no, enough for this thing. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. So we're on YouTube, although anyway we go still on them thing, we get fighting because people don't like the truth, we are telling you. Yeah man. So what many describe, we at the Jamaica Young Police describe Jamaica as a criminal's paradise. We are telling that. So where specific individual due to their status or influence appear to navigate the legal landscape with undue ease. This perception undermines trust in our judicial institutions and feeds into a narrative where criminal-minded judges are thought to favor notorious figures. Because you have to understand, say, our judges in Jamaica, they are not compromised, but most of them are criminal-minded. And we say criminal-minded, most of them, they are mostly PMP criminal organization supporters. Very few labor right upon it. And the labor right, them are more conservative, and them have conscience, decency, and them have shame. PMP not no shame. You can't shame them. PMP are like worse than mongrel dog. I tell you that. The PMP, even all the time you shame them, that no move them. You understand? Just look no further than Mark Baby Chump Golden. Remember say my big rapist in a rape. His wife was on 16. And the man never born in Jamaica. And him still a say my Jamaican. I hope to know him not showing birth certificate. And he still have a dummy them like the people them from the Gaza camp. Yeah. So them see him on and them thing there. Them are Mark Baby Chump Golden cars. Most of them super dons. But I tell you, so the shepherd, yeah man, the shepherd I come out, man, you understand? So by Friday, so who first I go take him out? We don't know. Who first I take out Kartel and them thing there? Who is it? Who's gonna take him out? Cause I remember say him have a whole heap of blood on him hand, him shoulder, So moving on. So the recent verdict in Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm case has only intensified these concerns that Justice Marva McDonald Bishop decisions to grant freedom to these individuals have left many questioning the integrity of our legal system. The allegation of corruption and bribery symbolized by the infamous paper bag suggests that justice can be bought, eroding public confidence and fostering a sense of injustice among law-abiding citizens. So here now, Tesha Miller first, Tesha Miller first is the first man to use the brown paper bag and walk out of prison. We are telling the first, Tesha Miller is first man to do that. So that's how we know about it and them thing there. That's why this bank is special branch of all of them thing there on record. The brown paper bag. So you saw she laugh, boy, she love Adi, man. Yeah man, Adi a fear daddy. 50,000 US man. And more to come when Adi keep him big concert at a national stadium like a hero. So him have bigger clout now than the coke dealer. Cause you see coke dealer now, the coke dealer you have to go check Chief Curry and make Chief Curry, fix him up on them thing there. I saw it go on them thing there, yeah. If make it reach back to George Soros, so yes, him legit, him I want away on them thing there. Yeah, I just saw it go. I saw him get back for him thing while Donald Trump I said, hey, you saw me come back, no convicted court dealer can't come back in America, I just saw it go. So, you understand? So the key highlights the urgent need for reform within our judiciary to restore faith in its impartiality and fairness. The perception that influential figures can escape punishment due to corrupt practices must be addressed to ensure that the law is applied equally to all, regardless of status or influence. The public outcry reflects a deep-seated frustration with the system that seems to protect powerful while neglecting the rights and safety of ordinary citizens. As the verdict announcement, it is essential to reaffirm our commitment to a justice system that operates beyond a notion of a criminal's paradise, where integrity, fairness, impartiality does not prevail. The outcome of this case not only determines the future of Vybz Kartel and his associates, but also symbolizes the efficiency of justice in Jamaica, particularly for those with financial influence. So in a Jamaica, money can buy anything. Maybe I'll buy all a judge yet too, you know, for sure. Open our legs them. I just saw it go on them thing because we're not on integrity again as a people. No, when I say we, you know, I not talk me, I talk she, you know, and Brian Lego Sykes, because them not shame, you know. Remember say criminal-minded people, these, you know. These are people who tell us, Michael Manley is the greatest thing since Jesus Christ. The man will destroy the mind of Jamaican people. Oh, you mean? Alright, so we not digress. You have to go right back, you know. Who sent over 2,500 young men for training in terrorism? And Michael Manley sent them to Cuba. So what? And Michael Manley make turn Jamaica in a criminal's paradise and see it, you know. Michael Manley legacy lives on. So you could have ball blood. I just saw it go. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise in the Caribbean and look no further. Justice, Marva, McDonald, Bishop on the left, and Vybz Kartel on the right. A man who commit murder. Vybz Kartel is the first man for vlog fee murder. And see what? And may I show you Vybz Kartel. Dangerous. The man use him one money, tamper with the jury and win the case by that. Me never seen nothing like that in our history. You understand? The man, the criminal benefit from committing crime, even in a case. So Jamaica is a criminal's paradise in the Caribbean Sea. We are telling you that. Yeah, man. So this moment allow the judiciary to demonstrate that there are individuals who are above the law and that the courts are not guardians of societal norms and protectors of public safety. Unfortunately, the power of the brown paper bag seemed to have overshadowed this chance. The verdict granting freedom to Kartel and his associates sent a troubling message that justice can be swayed by money, undermining the principles of equality and fairness that our legal system should uphold. So in Jamaica, money buy anything. Yeah, look, you understand what I'm saying? You saw she laugh. I money what she see in her brown people bag, you know. How you mean? How you mean? You understand? Vacation, Louis Vuitton. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, saying that see if them keep for the money, you know, in a pack. You understand? So we don't know. For the public, this case is more than just about one man or his alleged crimes. It reflects our collective trust in the institutions meant to serve and protect us. The decision has profound implication as it either reaffirm or shatter the belief that justice in Jamaica is objective and impartial. It is not. The judiciary must strive to rebuild this trust and prove it is a bulwark against corruption, ensuring justice is served without fear or favor. And all of them things are just wishful thinking, because we don't know that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. We have one of the most corrupt chief justice ever, the black man named Brian Lego Sykes. We are telling you that the man corrupt till him buck, just like how the man black as of him mind stay. Corrupt to the core. Chief Justice Brian Lego Sykes, one of the most corrupt black man ever to be a judge in Jamaica. And then all the PMP criminal organization bad up the Prime Minister and make him allow this whole Carousel to become the Chief Justice, in which an election have consequences. But hey, I hope him learn still, you know, you understand. And right now, see them put the justice system in a turmoil. And them not care, because remember say them not shame, you know. Remember Judith Pusey with Karen Spencer. That's why we said them supposed to have law for recoup the money and them things. So we have to go make a video for that too, you understand? Because I tell you the amount of things that we have to do over here. Because we just want back our country. You understand? So people feel like say, we just say, look, you don't even know how much research and all of them things are going at these things. You understand? So as a community, we must continue to advocate for reforms and ensure all individuals, regardless of their status or influence, are held accountable under the law. strengthening our judicial processes and ensuring transparency in handling all cases are critical steps towards restoring faith in our legal system. These reforms offer hope for a fair and just future. So you know, say Brian Legacy school share come from, you know, all three of them. And you don't know, you know, you understand, I saw it go on them thing there. If you didn't have a woman named Gloria Smith, yeah, and she had the, you know, so Vybz Kartel, she never let him go. Nobody can buy she. And she pretty, you know, pretty, and he caroused yesterday and them thing there, yeah, the one that I laugh. When time, as she walk me brown paper bag, you saw she laugh. Yeah, I tell you, I saw them stay, man. So our commitment at the Jamaica Young Police channel to justice is unwavering. We must demand integrity from those who serve in our judiciary and work towards eliminating corruption at every level. So we need to get to Chief Justice Brian Legacy, Judith Pusey, Marva McDonald Bishop, and the other judge them, and one judge that St. James. We not even remember to our loyal viewers and subscribers and Patreon members. Yeah, we want to say, yeah, you know, maximum respect to our Patreon members them, you know, in England, the United Kingdom, America, yeah, Jamaica 3rd, yeah, Canada 4th. Well, I mean, I tell you, New Zealand 5th. Oh, New Zealand. Well, hey, look, well, Jamaica live everywhere, you know. I just saw it going them thing there, you know. New Zealand is 5th now. So New Zealand, it lick out Cayman Island. Yeah, man, because Cayman Island used to be 6. So now New Zealand. Oh, well, we have Jamaican who live in New Zealand, boy. I never even know that, you know. So Jamaican live everywhere. Yes, so them just boy, I mean, I tell you, then 6 I Cayman Island, 7 Trinidad and Tobago, 8 Sweden, 9 Spain, 10 Germany, boy, 11 Nigeria, 12 South Africa, 13 Italy, 14 Russia, 15 Mexico, 16 Barbados, and 17 Turk and Caicos Islands. Yeah, boy, I mean, I tell you, yeah, we give thanks to all of, you know, everyone that have subscribed to, you know, the Jamaica Young Police channel Patreon squad. Your ongoing support is invaluable and help us to continue producing high quality content. Your feedback on our data analytic reigns supreme in today's data driven world. So we deeply value your insight, as they are the compass that guides us in tailoring our content to suit your needs and preferences better. Your role in this process is invaluable, and we thank you for it. Yeah, man. So we have heard from many of you, our dedicated viewers, Patreon members and subscribers, regarding the length of our videos. So we recognize that too lengthy content can be daunting and may not fit your busy schedule. We assure you that we are committed to keeping our non-live videos under 40 minutes. So these adjustments make our content more accessible and enjoyable, ensuring you can easily consume and appreciate what we create. So as we tell you before, you know, over here is not an entertainment channel. So those of you who are complaining that, you know, yeah, take too long to reach to the point and them thing there, so you just want it, boop, slapdash and all of these things. That's why black people cannot think, because everything you want it now. A book, you know, when you read a book, you know, just open it, and as the introduction, then you get to the end. You have to read it chapter by chapter and go through the thing. So what we are trying here, you know, we are not like the other YouTube channels who are about entertainment and doing things of views. We are all about changing lives here at this channel. So you have to understand that our channel is totally different from most YouTube channels. And some of you say, boy, we behave like we are Rasta. Nothing wrong with that. What wrong with Rasta? Rasta better than Christian, because Rasta are not terrorists. Who are the biggest terrorists right now in the world? They're not Rasta. So, yeah, we rather you say we are Rasta than we are Christian. Yeah, I mean, and that's how it go on them thing. Rasta is love, and we is all about love. You understand? So, as we say, we are incredibly grateful to our Patreon members. Yes. You know, so your ongoing support is invaluable. And, you know, we continue to produce high quality. And we are committed to significant value and exclusivity to our most dedicated supporters, and we look forward to welcoming more of you to our Patreon community. Yeah man, we want to see more of you. As we say, the more the merrier, you understand? So each of our videos will now end with a clear call to action, inviting viewers to join our Patreon community. And before we even go further, you see the reason why we and I say we can't do not 12-minute or 15-minute video and just get to the point. But it will be a disservice, because that means that we not impart no knowledge to you and them thing. And that's how we want to empower our black people. Black, white, brown, yellow, all kind of people. Because you know, in Jamaica, out of many we are one. Then I saw it go, you know. You understand? Out of many we are one. So we love all of our members of the Jamaica Young Police channel, Patreon community, subscribers, viewers, those who share, and we can see people share them, and we appreciate it. You understand? And just keep it, you know, just keep the momentum. Remember, you know, Rome never built in a day, you know. And we here at the Jamaica Young Police channel is all about to change lives. We're not here for fill our pockets, you know, we know that. As we say, it no matter how them fight the channel and all kind of things, and them try to make us sometime all a day, we have to respond to this, that, and all of them things there. You understand? Sometimes now when it's out of our realm, we say, we have to use one of our law and them things there. So nobody feel like, cause we have, if you look on the Ninja Man video, you will see the lawyers them we have on them things there. So we have speciality we deal. You understand? Some things we just, you understand, we don't make them deal with something, you understand? Some things we can't deal with because we're not, you know, you understand what I'm saying? As a old detective and them thing now, we were trained, you know, to read and decipher things, and we understand things so we can respond to them in kind. But the one them where challenges will come with certain things, we have to forward, you know, to law and them thing there. And in this world, you know, remember I said nothing free, you know, so some people might feel like, say, boy, and in case, let me explain some things to some of you people. We do not understand, because I want to feel say YouTube a thing where people, man, money business and them thing there. You see, every 1,000 view, it all depends on your video. At $3.40 per view you get for every 1,000 view. So if you have a video where do 10,000 view, at $30 US. So nobody feel like say, some people feel like say people that on YouTube, some people I make crazy money because them have them Patreon themselves things and this and that. But YouTube per se and them thing there, only some YouTuber really I make crazy money. Some now, you understand? So we over here and them thing because our product is totally different. Our product is not entertainment, you know. So that's why when I have that hook where a man just come on him and in after 5 or 8 minutes and then you know him know say to come on to it. Yeah. Our thing is educational because our job, you know, is to inspire you, to aspire you to be a better person. A life we want to save, you know. Lives we want to save. The next generation, we want a better Jamaica. Because look, this generation and the one behind yours truly, gone, you know. Because them are a destructive force, you know. They are the ones out there right now that celebrate Vybz Kartel. Victory in a court. Yeah man, from the crooked judge. You know what I mean? Paperback judge. You understand? So we take pride in being responsible to your feedback and proactive in implementing solutions that cater to your preferences. So this engagement is critical to building a supportive community around our channel. Your input drives us to improve continuously, and we are committed to using your feedback to guide our future content. Together we will continue to produce excellent work and deepen our connection with you. So thanks for being an integral part of our journey. Your support, whether through viewing our videos, being a Patreon member, sharing the video, commenting below and providing your feedback is invaluable to us. Together we will continue to grow and evolve, and we look forward with you by our side. So this is part one of a 2-part series, yeah man, with this carousing and corobunkers judge. She a carousing, alright. Why? Because she a judge what? A corals, you know, that she a coral bunkers, man. I tell you that straight. So, you know, it's just sad that we see our own black people how them corrupt. You understand what I'm saying? So the same people them oppress our ancestors and enslave them, you know. Them we see our black people them follow, you know. In which we were ethical, honest, decent and truthful people, you know. Apart from the one them we sell out our ancestors in Africa. You understand? All them, sure, I try not to, you know. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.